Hey guys, it's Sam here with Resq Wrangler. Sam's here with me as well. We've made it back to Austin, Texas, or into Austin, Texas at Feniex Industries. We're gonna go see what they're all about. You guys know I have all the lights on my Jeep. Let's go do it. Okay, so this is the main area, their main offices. We've got marketing, sales, engineering, all the offices here. We're gonna go look at production now. All right, so we are back in production. It is giant back here. We're gonna go down and see the little fine details that we all love. It's all made here in the USA and it is fantastic here in Texas. So here we are at the full-size light bar line. As soon as you place your order, they make everything custom made, like custom to order, as soon as you make it. They don't have it left on the stock sitting here for months. It's all ready to go as soon as you order it. It is freaking cool, guys. Okay, so now we are in the module line where they're completing all the small pieces into the big modules that we love. Heat sinks, sealing it up, making sure it's all quality controlled. It's great.
Everyone here that works here has been here for a couple years, and they are all great. They all love their job. They're all good at what they do. Everyone that we've talked to has been stand-up, great people.
Okay, so now we're in the siren speaker line. It's pretty insane back here. There's so many steps, so many process. They build it, they test the tones. It's really cool. Okay, so now we're at the AI bars. I'm really excited to talk to the engineers later about this. It's pretty cool. You guys have seen my video. I've got this on there. Stop messing with everything.
It's fun.
Okay, so we're back at the full-size light bars again. You can see all of the inside of the build. It's so neat and clean. Again, there's multiple steps to this, and Sam thinks he works here now, guys. So we're at the last stage before shipping. We've made it to the burn room. It's a 24-hour burn room. Every light goes in here, gets burned in for 24 hours. I have no doubt that the quality of my lights and your lights will be completely great for years to come after seeing all this. We're one of the first people to check out the new torch. We're gonna get it lit up and see how it is. I need my sunglasses for this. I think overland trailer, this would be awesome if you needed like some scene lighting for camping. Be able to hook it on your trailer and then extend it up and check it out.
Like scene lights, maybe on a brush truck, on the side of a ladder truck for a scene light.
Jeeps.
If you really wanted to be crazy.
These are now live on their website. Go check them out. I'm totally gonna get some. I don't know where I'm gonna mount them on the Jeep, but we're gonna get some. I think when these come out, it's really gonna change because everybody's like, pods, let's grab them. So we're here talking with the engineers at Feniex. We're with Garrett. He's gonna talk to us about the AI bar. You guys know I absolutely love mine. Can you tell us a little bit more about how these pair up or how we're gonna be able to interact these?
So if anybody knows, the AI series will have the controller RJ45 connectability. So we do use the same optic, same LED, same spread, but the cubes will be run off discrete wires, so trigger wires. So it'll just be power ground, and then you'll actually have 4 trigger wires to do dimmability, increase brightness, and then kind of flood and spot. So you'll basically hook up like a momentary switch, or if you want to do just a standard on-off, it'll basically go to your maximums on those 4 wires. So it does move at the same, optic speed. So if you did have it set up right, you could do them at the same time and they would move together, but it won't run off the same controller as of right now.
Okay. Well, thanks for letting us check it out. Appreciate it. Thanks. So we're finishing up our day here in Feniex. We've seen every aspect of it. It's so cool to see all the quality and just every detail. They're so detail focused to make sure all of our products are perfect for us and perfect for you guys. It has been incredible. Thank you so much for letting us come out and check it out.